All right, welcome to Percents and Decimals. This is the first one in your packet for chapter 6.1. So we're basically going to learn how to change percents to decimals and decimals to percents. So it's a pretty easy lesson. So whenever you have a percent and you want to change it to a decimal, you're going to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So you get rid of the percent sign. And the decimal is understood to be after the last number if there's no decimal. So then you move it 2 places to the left, so you get 0.82. This one right here, don't forget to put the line over the 45. If you move it 2 places, you have to add a 0. So you get 0.0245 with the line over the 45. And then if you look here, here's another one showing you, but this time you get put in all the little marks. So 61%, you shade in 61 of the boxes, and that would be 0.61. 8%, if you shade in 8% of the boxes, only 8 boxes are shaded, so that's 0.08. So that's writing a percent as a decimal for each decimal as a percent. And then the model, you got to fill out the model. So 39%. If we have 39, the decimal's right here. We got to move it 2 places to the left. So we get 0.39. And this one right here, you want to move the decimal place 2 places to the left. So you get 0.126. But don't forget to put the line over the 6. All right, turn the page. Okay. So now, if you're going to change a decimal to a percent, you have to multiply it by 100, which moves the decimal point 2 places to the right, and then you have to add the percent symbol. So I always remember you got to move it towards the side that you're going to put the percent sign. And if you look in the percent symbol, if you have a percent symbol, see how it has 2 circles? That's how I remember you move it 2 places. So you just move it 2 places to the right and put a percent. So 0.2 repeating, that's a bunch of 2's. You move it 2 places to the right, decimal, and don't forget the line. And then this one right here, 0.27, you fill in 27 boxes. That's 27%. This one, 0.3, that's 33333 repeating. So if you notice, they shaded in 33 and a third boxes, and then they put it that way. So let's try 0.05. So if we're going to do this one, we're going to move our decimal 2 places to the right. So we end up with 5%. And then the model would have 5 boxes filled in. And this one right here, number 4, you're going to move your decimal 2 places to the right. So you end up with 125%, which means you're going to have 125 boxes shaded, which one box would be totally shaded, and then 25 boxes of a second. All right. And that is the notes for today. So pretty easy lesson for day 1. I hope you guys are doing good at home. We miss you at school. Hopefully we'll be back in a couple weeks. All right, go ahead and get started on your homework number 600. On the paper you have it in your packet, and it's also on the computer. If you have any questions, come back to the WebEx and you can get some help.